Welcome. Let's start by dragging down a color from stock media and extending to 10 seconds. Also, drag down the text title and extend it as well. Go to Advanced to edit text as shown. Delete the text, then go to the top right corner to add arrow shape as shown. Untick Fill and Shape Border. Then change the shape color as you wish, then click Apply. Now go to Scale, Unlock, and type 300 in X and 1200 in Y. Drag it down on the screen and ensure its position in the center, as grid lines would guide you. Copy and paste the text title above. Now go in rotation to type 30 degrees and continue to copy and paste more text titles. Then increase by 30 degrees until 330 degrees. Now it has fully formed. Further highlight all, right-click, then apply the compound clip as shown. Click, then go to Scale up to 215 as shown. Now scroll down to apply the keyframe to rotation. Then move the playhead to the end and type 360 afterward preview. It looks good, but you can add effects to it. Further, go to Effect to add Color Slice Effect for frequent change of colors. Good also. Last but not least, you can add the water wave effect as shown above. Thanks for watching, you are awesome.